If there's one thing that can make players rage quit faster than you can type GG, it's lag. Whether you're playing Dota 2, Call of Duty Warzone, or even Fall Guys, having an unreliable internet connection can be very stressful. With fast internet, you can say goodbye to slow net and lag. Instead, you can now focus on improving your skills to become the best player you can be. Hey guys, CJ here, and today we'll be talking about PLDT Home Fiber, your most reliable connection for gaming and streaming. Your internet connection is the biggest advantage you can have as a gamer. Sure, you can upgrade your PC with the latest and most powerful parts. But what's the point if your ping is around 120 or 150 ms or milliseconds? Worst yet, if it's in the 200 millisecond range, might as well not play at all. You'll be at a significant disadvantage, especially if you're playing competitive shooters like CSGO or Warzone. Because of lag, you might not be able to get out of the way when your opponents shoot at you. On the flip side, lag might cause you to not hit them at all. That's why having a fast and reliable internet connection is important when playing shooters, especially if you want to become competitive. This doesn't apply to just CSGO and Warzone, but technically almost all shooter games you might be playing, whether it's on your phone, PC, or console. In reality, it applies to most competitive games you're playing. If you have a slow net while playing Dota 2 or other mobile games, your skills might not hit, even if you have the fastest of reflexes. Imagine competing for a slot in the internationals qualifiers and your team loses simply because you have a very high ping. The same goes for playing online racing games like Gran Turismo or Assetto Corsa. You might not think internet speed is a factor here, but it does. With slow internet speeds, you might find your opponents teleporting all over the place. How will you race if you end up being disconnected from the lobby? Worse yet, what if you're not able to race competitively at all thanks to your slow internet speed? For those playing these kinds of games, you want your ping to be around 20 ms or less to stay ahead of the competition. Without over-explaining, that's because the lower it is, the faster your actions are registered in the game. There's also the issue of playing on different servers, but that's a different topic altogether. Even if you're playing casual games like Genshin Impact, it won't be as enjoyable if you have lower ping, especially if you're trying to fully clear the Spiral Abyss. The lag and high ping might make it hard to use the iframes to successfully dodge attacks, especially on floor 12 when you don't have Zhongli or any other shielder in your team. It won't be as bad than playing Honkai Star Rail since it's a turn-based game, but I can imagine the loading times between areas will be very slow. What's worse is this. Imagine if you have unstable internet and you pull for a character on their banner, and it disconnects midway. Stress, right? Along with gaming, live streaming and VTubers are becoming more popular around the world too, thanks to the rising popularity of HoloLive, Nikisanji, and the like. If you're an up-and-coming streamer, you'll need fast internet since you're both live and playing a game at the same time. No one will watch your stream if it's choppy, slow, or disconnects several times over a live session. That's why having fast and reliable internet is very important these days. And with PLDT Home Fiber, it's possible to do so. To give you an idea, we recently installed PLDT Home Fiber at our HQ. It has since made our lives easier for both work and play. With PLDT Home Fiber, our ping went from averaging around 50 to 60 ms to around 20 or 30 ms when playing Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, and even Valorant. With this, my colleagues can no longer blame high ping when they lose whatever competitive game they're playing. What's even more impressive is that with all of us playing different games after office hours, our internet speed and ping are still good. With people watching YouTube videos, Netflix series, and downloading work files all at the same time, it used to be tough for those playing games here at our HQ after hours. But now, it's a lot easier. Heck, even Boss Abe enjoys playing ML more now in his office. It's not just download speeds too. Since we do need to upload content and footage to our online storage, upload speed is very important to us too. This is because there's less downtime for us waiting for stuff to be uploaded, allowing us to be more productive. For reference, PLDT has been certified and awarded by OOKLA several times for fast and reliable internet connection. To give you an idea, Here are the actual speeds we were able to get from our connection based on OOKLA speed test. So, if you're waiting for a sign to get or switch to PLDT Home Fiber, this is it. It's been working for us here at Yugatech. If you're interested, you may visit www.pldthome.com/internet to learn more about the fiber plans they offer and which one suits your needs, whether it's for gaming and everything in between. There's even a plan recommender section if you're having a hard time. So, would you get the PLDT Home Fiber plan for your place? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel to watch more. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this is CJ, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!